Hindi ko inaasahan na darating ka sa buhay ko, ngunit nagpapasalamat ako na nakilala kita. I didn't expect you to come into my life, but I'm grateful that I met you.
Hi class, Kuya Mike ulit. There's another challenge awaits, but this time you will shock in our invited guest kasi siya yung most favorite character and captivating beauty. Please join with us.
Annyeonghaseyo. My name is Kim Jenny from Squid Game Season 2. Thanks for inviting me here, and I realized how good-looking you are, Mike.
I'm so flattered. Thank you for your compliment, Miss Kim.
You're most welcome, Mike.
So, nakilala niyo na siya, class. Ganun tayo kasosyal. And without further ado, let's start. Are you ready, Miss Kim?
Yes, I'm ready. Pikit ba napakababaero mo?
Miss Kim.
Bagay yung Tagalog mo.
Sobrang isla.
Sorry for my Tagalog. I'm not yet used to it yet.
That's fine. Sige. Ako nang bala mag-adjust. So, bakit ba napakababaero mo? Miss Kim, para sa akin ba talaga yan? Why are you such a womanizer? Tingnan natin, Miss Kim.
Why are you such a womanizer?
Sabi ko sa inyo, magandang pangitain yan, ha? Thank you. Next.
Magsama kayong dalawa?
Magsama kayong dalawa. Magsama kayong dalawa. Aha. Go ahead and be together, the two of you. Check natin. Ano sagot yan, Miss Kim?
You to be together.
Yun lang pala yun. Boom! Sabi ko na eh. Maikli naman talaga yun. Bawi. Next.
Bakit hindi mo tinupad ang pangako mo?
Bakit hindi mo tinupad ang pangako mo? Hindi tamang ginagawa nila sa'yo, Miss Kim, no? Hindi sila tumutupad sa pangako. Right. Why didn't you keep your promises? Why didn't you keep your promise? Check it out.
Why didn't you keep your promise?
Yeah! Pasok na naman. Thank you. Sige, next.
Bakit mo ako pinagpalit sa iba?
Bakit mo ako pinagpalit sa iba? Bitter, ha? Madali lang yan. Why did you choose someone else over me? Tingnan natin.
Why did you choose someone else over me?
Panis. So, pwede na sa call center, ha? Thank you. Next.
Bakit ka walang kibo?
Bakit ka walang kibo? Bakit ka walang kibo? Rockstar. Why are you silent? Miss Kim?
Why are you silent?
Nakakarami na. Salamat. Wala bang mahirap-hirap dyan, Miss Kim? Joke lang. Next.
Nakita kitang may kasamang iba.
Nakita kitang may kasamang iba, ha? Oo nga, no? Dali. Nakita kitang may kasamang iba. I saw you with someone else. Tingnan natin.
I saw you with someone else.
Woo! Sige, Kim, next.
Nandito naman ako sa nateoneling.
Nandito naman ako. Sana tayo na lang. Medyo mahirap, ha? Miss Kim, Friend tayo. Nandito naman ako, sana tayo na lang. I am here anyway. I wish it could be just be the two of us. Check natin.
I'm already here. I wish it were just the two of us.
By the way, Kim, I'm wondering why most of the praises sounds like bitterness.
I don't know why, Mike. I'm just reading the script.
Alright. Sige. Next.
Ayoko pang mamit. Isama mo ko sa inayong grupo.
Ano to? Dialogue mo sa Squid Game Season 3. Ayoko pang mamatay. Isama mo ako sa inyong grupo. Ayos, ha? Kim. Sige. Aha, I don't want to die yet. Let me join in your group. Tingnan natin.
I don't want to die yet. Take me with you into your group.
Take me with you into your group. Galing siya, ha? Right, sige. I-next na natin yan.
Hindi ako papayag na matalo sa larong ito.
Oops! Kayo naman ang sasagot niyan, class. Hindi ako papayag na matalo sa larong ito. You may use our comment box para sa inyong sagot. And then, next video ay malalaman nyo kung ano yung tamang sagot to. So, Miss Kim, it's an honor to have you in my blog.
Likewise, Mike. I hope you'll invite me again soon, because I really admire your personality and I miss your cute smile as well.
Grabe naman, Miss Kim. Sobrang nakaka-flattered na ako sa mga compliment mo sa akin. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Sure! Malay mo, ma-invite ka namin ulit dito. Pag-uusapan ng management. Right? So, Kim, alam ko na busy ka sa shooting. Ingat ka.
Bye for now.